Good afternoon, everybody, or good morning, I should say. It's about 8:58 right now as I'm recording this. I've just picked up another 50,000 units here on this US dollar CAD pair as it's pushed down and touching this, or coming close to this 200 period moving average on this 10-day, 30-minute chart. What I'm looking at right here, you can see that we've had this nice push to the upside, right? And then we consolidate back into those short-term moving averages. That's a good entry opportunity, which I was not traded at that moment in time, so I didn't take it. Then we get a nice push to the upside again, and then another consolidation into those moving averages. So we took this opportunity here. Then we had a nice push to the upside here. We took some profit, made a couple of trades, and we had locked in some gain. And then I was able to advance my stop to this low here, and basically turns this trade into a if not risk-free, close to it. So basically I'm going to be losing my gains if it comes back out and kicks me out. I might take a small loss, but either way it's not that dangerous for me. So we were talking about yesterday, or I should say last week on Friday, the potential for a pullback to this lower level here, and I'd like to re-enter there. I ended up not doing that, and so I just held over the weekend, and now we got this big push back into this series of moving averages, these short-term moving averages right here. And this to me is either an opportunity to take some more size on this position, and because I've already got my other risk is pretty small here, I feel like it's a comfortable position to be in there and apply that added risk because I get that added gain. But I'm still watching these moving averages, these short-term moving averages. If I were to get it closed below this level in here, this 12 period moving average here, then I'd be concerning, hey, this is starting to break down, or it's looking like it's breaking down. As long as we stay above those moving averages, we're happy. As long as we close above these moving averages, we don't see any reason to be exiting the position. We just continue to stay with it. We let go, okay. And then once we see a close below it, we would adjust that ideology. For now, that's what I've done. It does increase my risk, not the best move perhaps, and if it works out, I'll be doing even better because I'll be moving with a long position. It's 100,000 as opposed to the 50,000 I typically work with, and I might empty the position. Like if we get a bounce here like this, something like that, I could take 50,000 off and then just have added a little trade to the overall position. We'll see how I trade it. I'm not sure what I'll do at this point in time. Basically, I'm looking for this to touch, find support, bounce off of it, and we'll climb back up here. Hopefully it happens in a day. It could happen over a course of a series of days. I don't know just yet how it's going to take place. If I'm wrong and this position is not bullish but is actually peaking, then we'll start to break down and get stopped out and so forth and so on. Okay, that's my basic overview of my trade. Again, this is not a recommendation that you should buy or sell anything. I'm just sharing my journey. God bless, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.